So number 1, 2, 3 ay ang management. Please take note of your account number. Number 4, Jonalisa Nabanalan. 5, Juanita Margate. 6, Esther Hiro Mepalking. 7, Olivia Cerezo. 8, Juliana Ambre. 9, Yolanda Dapiawen. 10, Nancy Ataman. 11, Celerina Gadgeton. 12, Rita Sambo. 13, Gigi Morco. 14, Minda Kuti. 15, Bonifacio Dictado. 16, Leonor Palking. 17, Irene Damugo. 18, Amor Victorino. 19, Dili Abigat Dukog. 20, Hanelin Talite Bailon. Tinakpan ko lang yung names, account number na lang ang natitira. Okay ba?
Gosh, in bloodshed really.
Okay, ganito yan. Ang mga total share month nyo nandito sa tabi ng sinave ko. So, number 1, 2, 3 na account ay iyong management yon. 4, number 4, may total share month na 22,000. 5, may 21,500. Account number 6, may 10,000. Number 7, 5,000. 8, 10,000. 9, 5,000. Account number 10, 5,334. 11, 23,590. 12, 5,000. 13, 5,000. 14, 20,000. 15, 50,000. 16, 15,000. 17, 10,000. 18, 5,000. 19, 20,000. 20, 5,000. So these are the total share month. What we are going to do is to get the patronage dividend factor ng bawat individual kung kailan nyo minember ang inyong share capital. Kung kailan kayo naglagay ng pera nyo, iyon ang kukunin natin ang dividend factor niya. What we are going to do is the number of months you become a member divided by 1 year, which is 12 months. So kung nag-member ka ng January, meron ng 12 months divided by 1 year, which is 12 months. So meron kang dividend factor na 1. So 1 to 8, sila yung nag-member ng January. So meron silang dividend factor na 1. So meron tayong nag-member ng, as you can see on the date there, 3/11, meaning March 11, meron na siyang 9 months divided by 12. So yan nakuha ang 0.83 na dividend factor niya. So 6, which is June, divided by 12. So meron siyang 0.67 na dividend factor. Parehas sa baba na 6, 7. August 2, ang August are divided by 12 is 0.5. 0.42, 0.42, and 0.42, 0.33. Ayan, makikita nyo dito. Basta ganun ang ginawa natin. At iyon ang dividend factor. Ang dividend factor ay i-multiply natin dito sa total share month. Tapos iyon na yung average share month nyo. Okay? Number 4, 22,000 multiplied by your dividend factor, which is 1, equals your average share month, which is 22,000. 1 to 8, ang total share month nila nag-remain. Kasi i-multiply mo ba naman sa sarili nila, di nag-remain ang kanilang share capital. Kapag maaga ka mag-member, pag January, syempre pa, mahaba ang panahon. So, kailangan i-divide mo sa 12, makukuha mo yung 1 na dividend factor. Account number 5, 21,500 multiplied by 1 is 21,500. 6, 10,000 multiplied by 1 is 10,000. 7, 5,000 multiplied by 1 is 5,000. 8, 10,000 multiplied by 1 is 10,000. 9, 5,000 divided at multiplied by 0.83 is 4,150 ang average share month niya. 10. 5,334 multiplied by 0.67 is 3,573.78 ang average share month niya. 11. 23,590 multiplied by 0.67 is 15,805.3. 12. 5,000 multiplied by 0.5 is 2,500 ang average share month niya. 13. 5,000 multiplied by 0.42 is 2,010. 14. 20,000 multiplied by 0.42 is 8,400. 15. 50,000 multiplied by 42.42 is 21,000. 16. 15,000 multiplied by 0.33 is 4,950. 17. 19,000. Where I am? 17. 10,000 multiplied by 0.33 is 3,300. 18. 5,000 multiplied by 0.17 is 850. 19. 20,000 multiplied by 0.17 is 3,400. 20. 5,000 multiplied by 0.17 is 850. Ang average share month, i-total natin ito ang average share month horizontally at makukuha natin iyang 229,379.08. Ito ang i-divide natin sa 60,000. So 60,000 divided by 229,379.08, makukuha natin in rate of interest on IOC, which is 0.2615757. Itong rate of IOC, imumultiply natin ngayon ang average share month, ang individual average share month para makuha natin yung dividend, ang yung IOC. So, ito na, makita niyo dito. Okay, number 4. Account number 4, 22,000 multiplied by 0.2615757 at meron na siyang dividend na 5,754.66 or 67. Account number 5, 21,500 multiplied by the rate of IOC, meron na siyang dividend na 5,623.88. Okay? Ang number 6, 10,000 multiplied by 0.2615757, meron siyang dividend na on IOC na 2,615.76. Number 7, 5,000 multiplied by the rate of IOC, meron siyang 1,307.88 na dividend. Number 8, 10,000 multiplied by the rate of IOC, meron siyang 2,615.76 na dividend. Number 9, 4,150 multiplied by 0.26157, meron siyang dividend na 1,085 pesos, 0.54. Number 10, 5,334. Ang kanyang average share month ay 3,573.78 multiplied by 0.261557, meron siyang dividend na 934.81. So, nakita nyo, ang liit ng, pag maliit ang yung share capital, maliit din talaga ang yung dividend. So, kaya nga ini-invite kayo mag-additional para malaki-laki naman ang yung share capital, okay? Number 11, account number 11, merong 15,805.3 multiplied by the rate of IOC, meron siyang 4,134.28. Number 12, 2,500 multiplied by rate of IOC, meron siyang 653.94. Ang 13, account 13, 2,100 multiplied by the rate of IOC, meron siyang 549 pesos, 0.31. Account 14, 8,400 multiplied by the rate of IOC, meron siyang 2,197.24 na dividend. 15, meron siyang 21,000 average on share capital. Multiplied by the rate of IOC, meron siyang 5,493.909. So, 16, meron siyang 4,950 na average on share capital. Multiplied by the rate on IOC, meron siyang 1,294.70 or 80 na dividend. Number 17, 10,000 multiply, 3,300 multiplied by the rate of IOC, meron siyang 863 na 0.20 na dividend. Account number 18, 850 ang average share amount niya. Multiply by the rate on IOC, meron siyang 222.34 na dividend. Number 19, 3,400 ang average share amount. Multiply by the rate on IOC, meron na siyang 889.36 na dividend. Number 20, 5,000. Ang average share amount niya is 850. Multiply by the rate on interest on share capital, meron siyang 222.34 na dividend. I-total natin lahat ito na dividend ng individual at makukuha natin ang 60,000 na dinivide natin bawat isa. For bawat individual. Okay na?